Laging pinag-iinitan ng temporary foreign worker these days, especially yung mga conservative and yung mga hindi temporary foreign workers. Why not? Let's talk about how to get a permanent residency na hindi masyadong nagdidepende sa experience as a temporary foreign worker. Canadian Experience Class, CEC. Dapat nagtrabaho ka ng paid and authorized. No student or self-employment experience counts. Hindi yun nakakount. Language proficiency, CLB 7 for NOC Tier 0 or CLB 5 for Tier 2 or 3. Wala nang proof of settlement funds required if you are already working in Canada. That's CEC. Now let's move on to number 2, Federal Skilled Worker Program or FSWP. Best for skilled professional with foreign work experience. Ano yung mga key requirement niya? At least 1 year of continuous full-time or equivalent part-time skilled work experience in the last 10 years. Language proficiency. Again, education, Canadian diploma or foreign credential with an Educational Credential Assessment or ECA. Must score at least 67 points on the FSWP grid based on age, based on your education and your experience and so on. And of course, if we talk about Federal Skilled Worker Program, you need a proof of settlement funds. Another one, to get that permanent residency, Federal Skilled Trades Program, FSTP. Ito, best for tradespeople. Ibig sabihin, mga electrician, welders, plumbers, chefs. Ang key requirement niyan, at least 2 years of full-time work experience in a skilled trade within the last 5 years. Kita nyo? CEC within 3 years, express entry or federal skilled worker within 10 years, and of course, etong FSTP is within the last 5 years period. You will need a valid job offer in Canada or a certificate of qualification from a Canadian authority. So, ibig sabihin, hindi mo pala kailangan, kasi sabi niya, a valid job offer in Canada or, hindi sinabing and, or certificate of qualification from a Canadian authority. So, usually, ang electricians, welders, plumbers, kailangan nila